Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete your credit account on Credit Karma. So first of all, you have to log in your account on Credit Karma. Then the home screen will appear on your device. Then you have to click on the setting icon, which is on your top right side. Then many options will open. Then you have to click on the my profile, which you see on your setting icon. Then page will open. Then you have to click on close my account, which we will see on your left side with CJ, and then your account will be closed on Credit Karma. So like this you can close your credit account on Credit Karma. Thank you guys, hope you like it.